People think introverts are socially disadvantaged. They think being quiet means being invisible. That's not true. The problem isn't that you're introverted. The problem is that you're trying to act extroverted, and people can feel the strain. Forced energy looks insecure. Controlled energy looks powerful. Let's fix this. Number 1. Controlled energy. Most introverts burn out socially because they think they need to perform. Smiling constantly, talking constantly, reacting constantly. That drains your nervous system. Instead, use what I call controlled ignition. Bring energy at the beginning. When you enter the room, when you greet someone, when you start speaking, make the first 20 to 30 seconds intentional. Eye contact, firm tone, slight smile, then settle into your natural rhythm. You don't need to dominate the entire interaction. You only need to set the frame at the start. Loud men try to overpower conversations. Calm men establish presence early and let silence work for them. Number 2. Own the floor. Quiet men get interrupted because they hesitate. They shrink their body. They rush their words. They look unsure. If you want people to listen without raising your voice, do this. Move before you speak. Shift your posture slightly. Pause half a second before talking. That pause creates anticipation. When someone tries to cut you off, don't compete. Just hold your hand up slightly and maintain eye contact. It says, "I'm not finished." Number 3. Grounded warmth. You don't need to be high energy. You need to be grounded and warm. Speak with a relaxed face. Let a small smile sit naturally when it fits. Keep your tone steady. Warmth makes people comfortable. Steadiness makes them respect you. When people feel calm around you, they associate that feeling with safety and strength. Number 4. Reward people with real reactions. People are drawn to whoever makes them feel good about themselves, and one of the simplest ways to do that is to laugh when something is genuinely funny. If you struggle to laugh naturally in conversations, shift your state before social situations. Get your nervous system relaxed first, because the issue usually isn't personality, it's tension. Being charming as an introvert isn't about becoming louder, it's about becoming intentional. Quiet doesn't mean weak, it means selective, and selective energy feels valuable.